How to fix Genshin Impact insufficient storage. While you are trying to download this game, you may encounter the difficulty of insufficient storage. This means that your PC lacks the required free space. The thing about Genshin Impact is that it requires a 67 GB. So for you to download this application, you need to ensure that you have at least that much of free space on your device. If you just have 52 GB, then the application may allow you to download it, but it may run laggy. So you want to make sure that you have the complete 67 GB free available. First, if your PC has multiple drives, like drive C and drive D, then supposedly if one of the drive has the 67 GB available, you can click on Change File Path and select the disk with sufficient space. While you are trying to download the game, select Choose a Path, then go ahead and click on Select Folder. Here you want to click on the disk that has the sufficient space. Verify the available disk space on the chosen drive. You have to make sure that it meets the game's requirements. If you don't have sufficient storage, then what you may do is you want to delete some unnecessary files. So you want to head over to Documents, Pictures, Music and Videos, then delete some files that you do not need. Or you may also head over to the Recycle bin and free up your storage. You have to understand that the game requires a 67 GB and you need to have this much of storage in order for you to play this game. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue. Once that is done, you may go ahead and download the Genshin application. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.